Safety.
The story, Conserve and Cherish, carries a significant message to all its readers on the preservation of our natural resources for the future. It was the fall time of the year and the beginning of the birds' nesting season. Black-polled warbles and other migratory birds migrated from Denali National Park, Alaska, to Puerto Rico in South America, looking for the best place to build a nest and raise their young ones.
I'm happy now. The weaving is completed for the season.
Yes, my darling, I am delighted too. Furthermore, we completed it before the monsoon.
Hey dear, did you observe something in the course of the migration?
What?
I could see a large sweep of plastic waste and microfibers floating in the water bodies like seas and oceans during the course of our flight.
Yes, even I noticed it throughout our flight.
Would you like to share something about that?
Certainly, I am very much worried about it.
Of course, I'm upset too.
It is disheartening to see the pollution in the air as well as the toxic waste dumped in the sea. This is awfully dangerous to us and our kids too.
It is not only dangerous to us, it is also very dangerous to our friends who live in the water bodies like ponds, lakes, rivers, seas and oceans.
Alright, my dear, I am very tired. Let's rest. We can discuss this tomorrow morning. Good night.
Good night, my dear. Wake up! Wake up! It's a bright break of day.
I've spotted a tree over there that we can cut.
Oh yes, that looks rather big and useful to us.
I could hear some noise in the distance.
Yes, it's turning louder and clearer. It seems the crowd of humans are approaching the trees.
Look, they're also carrying some tools for cutting the trees.
Mama Bird began to panic.
Oh dear, what can we do if they cut this tree?
Please stay calm. We will talk to them and get to know their intentions.
Will they listen to us if addressed?
Let us make a sincere effort. I believe we can do it.
Soon they flew nearer to them and greeted with good cheer.
Happy morning, dear friends. My name is Liam and she is my wife Mia.
May I talk to the chief, please?
Mia heard a cold voice answering.
I'm Gail, the chief. I don't have much time. We must cut the trees this weekend. Hence, be quick in what you want to say.
Please spare us a little of your time so that we can explain.
Okay. Spit it out. Hurry up. I need to start off the work.
Dear chief, I understood largely from my forefathers about this forest and the nearby seas, rivers and lakes. They were pure and overflowing with water. Thick, large trees made the surroundings breezy and beautiful.
But Now the trees have been reduced and the water bodies are polluted. How pathetic it is!
My families, friends, and folks are in the process of migration. They may arrive shortly. If you cut these trees, they will not find a suitable place to nest. Cutting down trees will also decrease rainfall. It will affect your livelihood too. Hence, we request you to help us, and in turn, it would help your families too.
After hearing the little bird, the chief realized his mistake and soon ordered his people.
Stop it at once. Let us not cut trees. Let us save our water resources also.
Thank you very much, Chief.
Cheerio, Chief!
Mia and Liam thanked the chief and flew back to the nest with a smile. So, my dear friends, let's treasure and cherish our natural resources. Moral of the story: treasure your resources. I repeat, treasure your resources.